How's everyone doing? Welcome back to part 2 of slide 3 of this video. Welcome back. This is just a continuation. Without further ado, I'm going to show you the Python equivalent. Let's get to it. Okay. So now we go to the file. So in Python, instead of an array, we have a list. A list is just like an array. It's like a collection of items. So for instance, grocery list, we make a grocery list. Let's in this case, let's make a grocery list. So bread, milk, eggs. Speaking of milk, I had to go buy some milk. Grocery list, bread, milk, eggs. Okay? So this is equivalent of saying int int array age equals 17, 21, 18, 19. So if we do in this example, they did student at 0 equals true. So first, let's go over the indexing. I'll do grocery list at 0. What should that print out? I give you a minute, a few seconds. If you guess bread, correct. This is a zero if element. This is the first element, this is the second element. So he used ages, I use grocery list. Now to loop over it, we can do the same thing for I in range. It's a little bit different Python. So age.length. List doesn't have a property of length, but you can use the length function to get the length of the list. So grocery list, okay. Now we want to print out. So the Java to print something out in Java, you do system.out.println. The Python equivalent is print grocery list at I. This will first, the length of grocery list is 1, 2, 3. This will return 3. I will go starting at 0. I will go 0, 1, 2. It won't go to 3 because the length, the length function returns the length of the integer. When you use a range function, you go up to that integer, but not including that integer. So go up to 3, but don't include 3. So when we do this, bread, milk, eggs, and that's the Python equivalent. So going back to Google's Tech Development Guide, before we do that, I would like to show you another visual. Python tutor. So let me to copy it. Show you visual representation will be okay. This right here. This right here. Visualize execution. Okay. Notice this is a list. In Java, you call it array. Notice the index number 0, 1, 2. Grocery list at position 0 is bread. Grocery list at position 1 is milk. Grocery list at position 2 is eggs. The length of this is 3. So for I, the length of this is 3, and range will go up to 3, but does not include 3. So when we go here, I is 0. So print grocery list at index 0, which would be bread. Then I will increment. Now I is 1. So far in range it was 0. Now the next number is 1. Then this statement will say grocery list at index 1 is milk, print it. Now I would become 2. Grocery list at index 2 is eggs, print it. When you come back here, range will stop. This loop won't run anymore because range goes up. The length of grocery list is 3. Range will only return numbers. Range will return numbers 0, 1, 2. It won't include the third. It won't include 3. And that's it. So going back to me, turn. Okay. Going back to Google's Tech Dev Guide. Using array in Java for beginners. Mark is done. So now, 1, 2, 3. We have completed 3 videos. And we have I believe we have 30 more to go. 30 other items available, yeah. Sorry for the outside noise. Okay. So I guess I'll end this video short because I like to do a video for each slide. So I guess that's it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Where I am, it's nighttime, so have a good night. Oh. Bye.